Hey y'all, I'm Mandy, and this is Mandy in the Making. Today we're going to tackle my master closet, which is a disaster. We're going to declutter and organize it. I don't know about you guys, but I don't have a huge walk-in closet. It is a walk-in closet, but this house was built in the 70s. It is not like a lot of closets today. That's one thing I envy when I look at other people's closet declutters and their closet tours. There's no touring my closet. You step in and you're in it. There's a lot of stuff that needs to be cleared out. I've seen things that I'm like, I need to take that out, but I never do it. So now's the time. I've collabed with Amber from HouseWifeGlamLife, and I'm gonna let her introduce herself right here.
Hey guys, I'm Amber and I'm the creator of HouseWifeGlamLife. I met Mandy through, I believe it was Instagram, it might have been YouTube, I'm not 100% sure, but we have very similar channels. We do some DIYs, house cleaning, cooking. I also like to add beauty products into mine. I'm a huge lover of skincare and makeup. I was super excited to be collabing with her on this, and if you finish watching hers, I'd love it if you also come by and watch my video, and if you subscribe while you're there, I would love that too. Thanks so much for watching.
So as you can see, Amber is super sweet and cute, and her channel is great. So go check it out after this video, give her some love, and tell her that I sent you. Now it's time to open the door and let you see inside of my closet. So here's our closet. This is my side. Way too many shoes, extra hangers. This wall, this half wall here, used to be just a straight full wall that went all the way up to the ceiling. When we moved in, we had our contractor fix this for us. Unfortunately, we couldn't get rid of it because on the other side of that wall, like inside of there, is air duct coming from our air return in the hallway. So the air return came into here. So there's this big silver air duct that comes in here, and it just went straight up. But then when we moved in, he was able to flatten it. So it comes in down here, and then he was able to flatten it and redo the drywall back there, giving us this ledge here so that we had a little more storage in this space. And then he added those shelves back there. And this is my husband's side. So now you see my hot mess of a closet. We moved in about a year and a half ago, and this was not one of my main concerns. It's our closet. We're the only people who see it until now, and I'm showing it to y'all on YouTube. But it needs to be redone, it needs to be organized, and there's no better time than now, right? So let's go. Do y'all think maybe, possibly, I might have a bag problem? I mean, maybe. I don't know. The jury's still out on that one. So I'm gonna go through all of these bags and try and get rid of about half of them. We'll see how this goes. Good, I got rid of all of those. I don't use those anymore. Some of them I will probably sell, like this Coach one. Pretty excited about that pile. So these are just Dollar Tree collapsible bins that I purchased last year, and I just fold my t-shirts and keep them in here. That way they're not taking up too much space on the hangers. But I'm gonna go through these. I've already pulled out one that I know I don't wear anymore. I'm gonna go through these and see if there's any others that I wanna get rid of. Other bin just has my shorts for this season. I've already tried all of these on. I know they all fit, so they'll just stay in here. The reason I don't keep these in a dresser is simply because when we moved into this house, this bedroom, the master bedroom, was a lot smaller than our master bedroom in our old house, and we had to downsize to just one dresser. We did have 2 dressers at our old house, one for me, one for my husband, but now we have to share one. So a lot of the stuff that I kept in a dresser has to go in the closet now. And this has just been the easiest way to do that, is just to put them in these bins. The bins only cost $1, and it's easy for me to see everything and access them.
Sorry for the horrible lighting right here. It had been a long day and I totally forgot to turn on that extra light, but I'm just showing you that I downsized all of our belts so that they would just fit on this tie and belt hanger that my husband has on his side of the closet. It makes it a lot easier and it frees up some more space on the shelf.
Wearing light shoes, walking down the shore, diving head first down to the ocean.
Okay, so now I'm going through all of my shoes. I've already pulled out several pair that I don't wear anymore, and I'm still kind of working on that. I've got a good many that are out of season that I need to go through and put away. Those might end up going up on the top shelf that's empty right now.
We've got catching up to do. There's a glow about you. This is a perfect night to catch a cold. Turn the full length of the North Shore. Stay up for the sunrise, make a wish.
A lot of contractor dust from back here. I don't know if you can see it in the floor, so I'm going to grab the vacuum cleaner. I've already vacuumed my husband's side. I didn't show that, but I'm going to vacuum over here and just get all of this dust and stuff out of the floor so that it's nice and clean before I put everything back.
Small talk over the summer breeze, out of safe songs, finding hidden caves, all the whetstones shaped by the ocean waves. It's a night to stay up late.
Above my hanging clothes, I have t-shirts, shorts, those are like lounge pants, and then leggings and shorts, like workout shorts. Again, I don't really work out, but I wear them a lot in the summer. And so far, the top shelf is clear, which really makes me happy. I would like to hang this up here, but I'm scared that the duct back here would get pierced if I put a nail in this wall. So I'm probably going to eventually invest in some type of cube shelving to go up this way. But for right now, there was just already a nail right here. And I had this at my old house and I just hung it up here. Just got my longer necklaces on there. And it may not be the prettiest, but it works. We love to wear hats. Most of these are my husband's, only 3 of them are mine, but this is where all of our hats will go. I have all of my purses back here. And then bags are here, like tote bags. And then the top one is empty because we have all of the extra hangers up here.
It may not be Pinterest worthy, but our closet is a lot better. I hope you enjoyed, and I hope you'll stick around and subscribe.